Namaste, welcome to sisterkitchen.com. Today I am making sprouted Moong Masala Curry. I sprouted my moong beans for 2 days. These are second day sprouts. Sprouts are more and more nutritious than the regular dry beans or the lentils. They are packed with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. So it is a good idea to use sprouts in our everyday cooking. So today I am going to use these sprouted moong beans to make a delicious masala curry. First of all, I am going to add some water to the sprouts and pressure cook these for 1 or 2 whistles. To make this curry, first I am heating about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a pan on low-medium heat. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them crackle. And here I have 1 large onion, 2 green chilies and 3 tomatoes. Add the onions and green chili and stir it for a minute. Then add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Here I am using my frozen ginger garlic paste. I do have a video to make this, which I will share the link below. Stir it once and cook it covered for a few minutes until the ginger garlic paste loses its raw smell. Okay, you can see here ginger garlic is fried very well with onions. Now go ahead and add the tomatoes. To this add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander cumin powder and some pink Himalayan salt. Give it a good mix. After adding the masala powders, the curry looks little dry, so add 1/4 cup of water and mix it well. Now cook it covered for a few minutes. After a few minutes you can see the tomatoes are well cooked and the oil has been oozed out. It's a perfect tomato onion gravy. My moong sprouts are also ready. You can see these are perfectly cooked. I cooked for 2 whistles. We don't want them to overcook. Go ahead and add the cooked sprouts along with water. Mix them well to combine with tomato onion gravy. You may add some water if you like. Now cook it covered for a few minutes until all the tastes are combined. Let us see how the curry came out. It looks really delicious, nicely cooked. Let us finish it up with some cilantro. This curry goes very well with chapati, puri or jeera rice. Try this simple curry and give me your feedback. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. For more healthy recipes, check out my website at sisterkitchen.com.